My subconscious mind is sending out love, light, and healing to that part of my body that needs healing. Take a few moments and imagine a healing light healing those parts of your body. I am a human trinity: body, mind, and spirit. My body, mind, and spirit are in harmony with one another, causing healings to take place. Love conquers all things. Love is strength. Love is healing. And the power of forgiveness and love brings healing to every part of my body and brings peace to my mind. I have the free will to choose. I choose peaceful and healthy healing thoughts. Each day, I become more optimistic and see life as a wonderful opportunity. Forgiveness and love clears the mind for right thinking and right action.